welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Karate Tait, and this is Tourist Tait. What are we making today, Danny?
Today we're making vampire's blood.
Ooh, scary.
Yeah, so you're gonna get a pitcher. We're gonna put an ounce of vodka, an ounce of cherry liqueur, 2 ounces of rye. You wanna rim our glasses as we do this?
So to rim the glasses, you just take a lemon and go around the edge. Just get some red sprinkles like that. Fancy. Very fancy. Now you make sure that if you're making this, you don't get any on your gi or your man sweater either, because both of them could get stained. So
we're gonna do just a little splash of lemon juice.
That looks good.
And just a little bit of grenadine. Just a little bit.
I've been known in the past to be a little heavy-handed with the grenadine, so Jamie is making sure that there's too much in.
Give it a little stir up. We're gonna do about half a bottle or 1 cup of cherry Coke or cherry Pepsi.
All right. And we do have some fancy garnishes here too.
Wow.
All right. What the hell is that? And pour it into our glasses.
Oh.
That's good. There. We gotta make sure we get a shot of this first because it looks good. It looks fabulous. So we'll get this out of the way. Take a couple of photos of that.
Oh, perfect.
All right, vampire's blood. There you have it. Okay, let's try this. Cheers. Cheers. And happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
I do not like cherry. Again, a little bit like cough medicine.
Yeah.
But it looks nice. I like the rim, so.
The sprinkles are really good.
Happy Halloween,
Happy
everyone.
Halloween!